Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make some mason jar salads that I like to call same but different meals, where the ingredients do overlap but they're different enough that you won't get bored eating the same thing every day of the week. For these salads I'll be using chicken as my protein, but you're welcome to sub it out with another protein or mix and match throughout the week. I like using my large 750 milliliter or 1 liter jars for my salads, as I like my salads to be more of a meal than a side. If you don't have any, a pasta sauce jar works as well. To start, we're putting in a 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup of hummus dressing, 1/2 cup of diced red onions, 1/2 cup of carrots. You can chop them, slice them, or ribbon them like I did. Push them down a bit and then put in 1 cup of shredded chicken. Push it down again and then add in 1/2 cup to 1 cup of quinoa. Then put in as much greens as possible. For the next jar, start with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of peanut dressing, 1/2 cup of edamame, 1/2 cup of carrots, 1/2 cup of scallions, 1 cup of chicken, tap it down, and then 1 cup of rice noodles. Tap it down again before filling up the rest of the jar with some mixed greens. And before closing up, put some nuts and seeds of your choice on top. For the last jar, either use the same dressing or a miso peanut dressing. Then add in 1/2 cup of red onions, 1/2 cup of edamame, 1/2 cup of carrots. Give it a tap again and then add in 1/2 cup of scallions. Then you want another cup of chicken. Tap it down. 1/2 to 1 cup quinoa, and again top it off with the mixed greens. And there you have it, 3 ways to make an easy mason jar chicken salad for lunch. And just a reminder, if you're looking for the printable versions of these recipes, you can find everything linked down below in the description box. And if you found this video to be helpful, I really appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, bye!